Hello and welcome back to this tutorial on how to remove your phone number from a TikTok account. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open your TikTok app and make sure you are logged in to the account that currently has the phone number link. On the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines or menu button in the top right corner. And then go to Settings and Privacy. Now under the account sections, select account, then select account information. Here you will see your phone number list along with your email. To remove or change it, you need to tap on the phone number. You will be given two options, change phone or unlink phone. Select unlink phone, then tap remove. And that's it, your phone number is now removed from your TikTok account. This way you keep your privacy safe and also have the flexibility to use your number on another account if needed. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.